What's up everyone, I'm Shan and I'm back with another videos, and today we have a little review on Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. As you can see on my desk, these are graphite version, but they have three more color: lavender, white and olive. Honestly, this olive color is nice and unique, but white, nah, I'm not really a big fan of that. If you saw the Galaxy Buds series, you definitely noticed some pattern and similarities between them. After I reviewed the Galaxy Buds Plus, I noticed that in later designs the case changed, the sound quality changed a lot, but earbuds themselves, not really. Except the Galaxy Buds Live, that was a whole another universe with that bean-shaped design. So let's move on. I also did the unboxing, so if you didn't watch the video, here's the link, click on it and watch the video. Let's talk about design. One thing is similar between all the colors, and that's the case. I mean the actual case. They all come with a white case, which is okay because you don't have to worry about all the scratches and color changing on the top of the case. The weight of each earbud is about 5 grams, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I guess it was 5 grams. But they are a bit smaller and about 20% lighter than Galaxy Buds Plus, which makes them more comfortable and easier to use. Also, to control the music and calls on this earbud, you can just use the built-in touch control, which the sensors are quite sensitive and very responsive. The default setting for this earbud is simple: pause and play with 1 tap, skip forward with 2 taps, and 3 to rewind, like any other earbuds on the market, and you can always change the setting as you want it, or just disable this option to avoid the accidentally touch on pause or play. All you have to do is just download the Galaxy wearable app and Buds 2 plugin and then connect it to your phone. Also, the control setting is not the only thing that you can change it inside the app. You will also see the options to change the equalizer or see how much battery life the case and the earbuds themselves have left. That's also, you will find the earbud fit test and find my buds option. Although some of these features require you to log into Samsung account. If you don't have any, create one. The first disappointing part is that all these features and options are only available on Android devices. The iOS version hasn't been updated yet, so there is no customization, no changes and no options, just them. And changes are impossible until it receives an update. So guys, if you have an iPhone, you have to look for another earbud. But why, when someone has an iPhone, should go and get a Samsung earbuds? I don't know. I have no idea why. And that's the earbud themselves have magnetized to hook into the metal charging pin in the case to avoid accidentally falling out or bouncing somewhere when you can't reach them. It won't happen frequently, but I definitely advise be careful with them. One weak spot on Galaxy Buds 2 that really and literally bothers me is that they are only IPX2 water resistant. IPX2. Take them outside when it's raining, snowing, or any kind of unpredictable weather condition, and well, it could be end of them. And trust me, you don't want to lose this little bean. Okay, let's get to the details. First, active noise cancellation, or ANC. Noise cancellation are one of the good points on Galaxy Buds 2. It turns on by holding either earbud's touchpad, and also you can customize this option through the Galaxy wearable app, like summoning your virtual assistant. But I definitely recommend you to keep at least one of the control sets for ANC or noise cancellation because it's very useful, and especially on calls. A recent firmware update has also added to the ability to activate the ANC even when you are using a single earbud. With music playing and active noise cancellation is on, you probably won't be able to hear somebody is talking to you in the same room, but you will hear any loud noises like cars through the outside. But overall, they are good enough for daily use. Ambient mode is also one of the features, so how to use it? It's simple. Press the noise cancellation button again and you will switch to the ambient mode, which pipes the outside audio into the buds. Crazy, right? And it's surprisingly helpful when you want to have a conversation or just listen to what's going on around you without taking out the bud. And with the recent film update, you can just hear all the things around you, even on the calls. So now ambient mode is more useful than previous versions. What I love most about these earbuds is audio performance. They have a wonderful sound curve that amps up to the bass, mids and highs, but it can get a bit harsh on a higher volumes. Despite that minor problem, these are great in sound quality. Okay, we talked about almost everything, but how much these buds can last on a single charge. If you were to use them non-stop, the Galaxy Buds 2 should last about 5 hours with active noise cancellation turned on, and a bit longer if you turn that off. And inside the case are at least 3 more charges that could last about 29 hours. That's good. Of course, that 29 hours is totally dependent on how you use this earbud. Also, for this generation, we have a USB Type-C port, and what is new is support of wireless charging, which is nice if you already have a wireless charging pad. Overall, the Galaxy Buds 2 really work nice with Samsung Galaxy smartphones and other Android devices. But again, not for iOS. The problem is still there, and maybe they release a software update? Maybe. Who knows? But beside that iOS part, they offer a fast pairing and a good app to customize the equalizer and the features. Also, they offer enough ANC or that noise cancellation thing, and the battery should get through 2 or 3 days, and that's the extra point. Overall, if you're someone who needs a class-leading noise cancellation earbud, you might look for another earbud, something like Bose Comfort earbuds. That's a good option. But my final thought, Galaxy Buds 2 is cool. I mean, look at this. They are small, mostly round and super smooth. And surely you don't want to miss the sound quality. So there it is, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 earbud. Thank you for staying with me, and I really hope you enjoy it. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. See you guys on the next video.